Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So today I'll be discussing about select columns, or you can say add columns. So select column and add columns are quite identical by itself. The only difference between select column and add columns would be that select columns work on an entirely new table, whereas add columns you can add columns in the original table itself. But if you use select columns to add columns in the original table, it will not get added. It only works for new table, which is nothing but select columns. Okay, we'll see that via hands-on. So I'll go to table. I'll quickly create a new table to guide you through with select columns. So let's give the name as select column demo. Select columns. So what does the syntax say? The syntax says it returns a table with selected column from the table and new column specified by the DAX expression. Got it? So what it says, it will take input as a table and the name which you want to give with an expression, or you can say with a DAX expression. So we'll understand it via our hands-on. So let's say I will take employee table, employee lookup. Okay, that is my table name, comma. I would want to give that as, let's say, what do I take? Let's say employee ID, which is unique, right? So I'll take for that employee position staff ID, and I'll quickly close this parenthesis and hit enter. Let's see what it creates. So guys, it has created a new table with a different name, head, or you can say header, with the staff ID inputted as employee ID. You can also do some manipulations or add some different columns using select column. You can, like example, let's say X, comma, what should I take? Instead of X, I'll put first name. First name. And also other manipulations you can do is you can use a filter function here. Take first, I'll enter this. I'll show you how first name is coming. See, you're getting the first name of the person. And I was talking about filter function. You can do that filter function. Filter filter. I'll give employee lookup comma, will bring that employee lookup down inside the filter function. And then what I will do is I will put employee staff ID in curly braces. I would only want to see 1 and 8. Okay, so I think this is a comma, and let's hit enter and see this should work. So this will only create a filter in employee ID, and it will give employee ID 1 and 8 with their first names since I have given a filter. So this is how you can create a new table and you can do some manipulations with it. I hope you liked my video, guys. And in the next video lecture, I will be talking about add columns. Here we have created new table, but add columns function would help us to add new columns in the original table. So stay tuned and like my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys.